Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to Rukia's kitchen. Today I'll be showing you how to make 9 tasty homemade juices. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please kindly do so you don't get to miss any of my videos each and every week. Then stay tuned to enjoy my recipes. Our first juice is going to be mabungo juice. Ingredients: you will need 2 mabungo. I got 3 mabungo here, but I will only use 2 because one wasn't good. Cut into 2 and remove the seeds and place in a bowl. Then you will add 3 tablespoons of sugar and 1.5 cup of water and soak the mabungo fruits for overnight. After soaking the mabungo fruits for overnight, squeeze them out using your hands and put everything in a blender and blend for about 2 to 3 minutes slowly by slowly while stopping to avoid smashing the seeds. When your juice is ready, filter the juice. At this point, you can either add more water to make your juice less thick. On my side, I added a 1/4 cup of water to make it less thick. Then I added a 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla to add an extra amazing smell to the juice, and I added 1 tablespoon of sugar, optional, and mixed the juice very nice. With 2 large fruits of mabungo juice, I got about 3 glasses of mabungo juice. Then add some ice cubes and serve your juice immediately when it's cold and enjoy your mabungo juice. Our second recipe is going to be strawberry milkshake. In a medium or a large blender, add 600 ml of cold milk, followed by 3 to 4 scoops of vanilla ice cream, and add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, and lastly add a 1/2 cup of peppers, and you can add more sugar if you like more sweetness, but I would advise you not to add the sugar. Then cover your blender and blend for about 1 to 2 minutes. And when ready, pour the milkshake in a jug and add some ice cube to make your milkshake cold. Serve the milkshake right away and enjoy it. And my delicious vanilla milkshake is ready, as you can see in the video, and enjoy your shake. Our third juice is going to be date and mango smoothie. Ingredients to make this smoothie: you will need 1 banana and 1 mango, about 4 to 5 pieces of dates, milk and sugar, optional if you like more sweets. In a small or medium blender, add the fruits. Cut the banana into small pieces as you can see in the video. Then add 1 ripe mango, peel it and cut it into small pieces and put in the blender. Then you will add about 4 to 5 pieces of dates. Make sure you have removed the pit inside before putting the dates in. Lastly, pour about 1.5 glasses of cold milk. You can add more milk according to the thickness you want. Once everything is in, blend everything till well blended and smooth. At this point, you can able to taste if you will need more sugar. And your fruit date smoothie is ready. Serve it immediately, or you can serve it cold and enjoy your delicious smoothie. Our fourth and fifth is going to be 2 types of smoothies. On today's ingredients, you're going to need 2 mangoes, 1 sliced banana, 1 green apple, or you can use a red one, some milk, and lastly some sugar according to the sweetness of smoothie you would like. Our first smoothie, you're going to add pieces of apples and some ripe bananas, as you can see in the video. Then afterwards, you're going to add some sugar. You can either choose to add some sugar or not. Then pour some milk according to the thickness of smoothie you would like. Once you're done, cover the blender and blend everything till well blended. Once everything is well blended, put some ice cubes and pour the smoothie in the glass. And our apple mango smoothie is ready, as you can see in the video, and enjoy your smoothie. Our second smoothie, you're going to add pieces of banana and some mangoes, as you can see in the video. Afterwards, add some ice cubes, some sugar and some milk. Make sure you don't add a lot of sugar because banana and mangoes contains sugar. Then cover the blender and blend everything till well blended. Serve a smoothie in a glass and enjoy your mango banana smoothie. And my tasty mango banana smoothie is ready, as you can see in the video, and enjoy your smoothie. Our sixth recipe is going to be date shake. In a pot, add 500 ml of milk and a pinch of cardamom and let the milk boil till it's hot. And when ready, remove from the fire and let the milk cool down. Then take a blender and add the milk and about 10 dates which they don't have seeds inside and blend everything well, and when ready, pour it in the container and put it in the fridge to get cold, or you can just drink it like that. And your date juice is ready. This juice has a lot of advantage. One is to boost the blood in your body and to increase hormones in your body. Our seventh recipe is going to be passion fruit juice. In a blender, add about 12 passions. Then add 1 cube sliced mangoes, a piece of cucumber as you can see in the video, small piece of ginger, 1 large carrot, and a quarter cup of water, and blend everything together. Once ready, pour in a jug and add about 7 tablespoons of sugar and mix everything well. Then filter your passion juice once or twice, and I added 1 cup of water and your juice is ready. Pour the juice on a separate jug and put the juice in a fridge to get cold. And your passion juice is ready, and enjoy it. Our second last recipe is going to be pineapple juice. Ingredients to make pineapple juice: you will need 1 large pineapple cut into small pieces, 1 lemon, and a half a piece of ginger. In a blender, you'll add all the pineapple pieces, 1 lemon, and a piece of fresh ginger. I use this type of a blender because it's easier to get more juice, but if you don't have, you can use any type of a blender and blend everything well. And when the juice is ready, sieve the juice into a bowl. Then I added 3 tablespoons of sugar, optional if your pineapple is not too sweet, and stir and put the juice in the fridge to get cold. And after some hours, serve your juice and enjoy your tasty pineapple juice. And our last recipe is going to be mango and cucumber juice. Ingredients to make this amazing drink: you will need 1 mango and 1 banana and a half cucumber. In a small medium blender, you'll cut all the fruits into small pieces, as in banana, cucumber and mango, as you can see in the video. Then I added about 5 tablespoons of sugar because my mango is already sweet, but you can also add more sugar if you prefer more sweetness, and pour about 200 ml of water according to the thickness you want, and blend everything well. And when ready, pour the juice into a bowl, and I added extra 200 milliliter of water. In total, I added 400 milliliter of water. At this point, you can able to see if you want to add more sugar or not. If you would like to sieve your juice, it's okay, but for me, I didn't do that. Then put the juice in the fridge and serve your drink when it's cold, and enjoy your drink. Thank you for watching my video and hope you loved it. And if you want to see other recipes on how to make these amazing juice, I'll put the links in the description box. And if you have any questions, you can comment down below, or you can follow me on my social media, Facebook and Instagram, for further questions. And thank you once again. Bye bye.